everyone, welcome back to Technical Tuesdays. This week we're going to cover the hard panel. You've probably seen our traditional frame in cloth that's used in a lot of cases in residential blower door testing. However, at Retrotec we do like to provide options. So this is the hard panel system that you can use instead of the frame and canvas if you like. There are a couple of benefits to using this one. It sets up faster and it provides a nice professional look to the overall test. A lot of our customers like to use the hard panel just for that reason, because it does provide a more professional look when they're walking through the blower door test process with a client. So the way we set this up into the doorway, once we pull all the panels out of the case, we'll set the bottom piece up first. This is the one that has the hole in it for the fan to be installed into. And then we use these Velcro tabs here that each panel has to pull it tight, and that helps it give it a snug fit into the doorway. The next large panel goes on top, and then the last panel that we install is the panel that expands in both directions. So you'll see that it has the pull tabs going in both directions to give it a snug fit in the width of the doorway and to give it a snug fit from top to bottom. And you can see here to the left of the fan is a small gap from where we expanded it. We have a Velcro plate that goes over that to seal off that hole. Then we can go ahead and install the fan, and it simply just sets into the hole, snaps into place, and then uses a small Velcro strap to keep the fan in place so it doesn't fall out. If you deal with a lot of taller doorways, such as 8-foot doorways, there's an optional piece that you can get that'll fill in the rest of that space that, again, uses that same pull tab to expand and then fill up the rest of that doorway. So that's just a quick rundown on how you install this panel. One of the downsides to this, when you compare it to our frame and canvas, it is slightly leakier. So it leaks about 14 CFM more than the frame and canvas at 50 pascals of pressure. So it's not ideal for passive house testing, but if we're just testing existing homes or testing the code, it works great for that. Tell them more about the panel. Yeah, it is good. Yes, yeah. Yeah, you like the hard panel better than the frame and cloth? Yeah, you do? Yeah, okay. If you're interested to see more details on this, go to retrotec.com. You can just search hard panel and it'll be the first option that you see. As always, I appreciate you guys watching the Technical Tuesday series that we do here, and we'll catch you back here again next week. Thanks.